Hi guys, Charity Lifestyle here. So if you've been looking for what to use your date pulp to do, let's say you make date syrup and the chaff, like we usually call it, is now left out, please don't throw it away. Okay, now we are going to use it to make something very delicious. So let's go right into the video. Into your blender, you go in with your 1 cup of date pulp. You can go in with half cup if you don't want the outcome to be so thick. Then you go in with your 1 cup of milk, then you blend that. After you're done blending it, you go in with your 2 cups of sieved flour. You go in with your 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So now this is our eggs. We are just going to break that open. Then we whisk them together. So after we're done with that, we'll head back to our mixture, then mix them together. So you just mix it together very well. Now it is coming together. So we're just going with the egg we just finished whisking a while ago. You can decide to go in bit by bit. You can decide to go in everything, going with everything at once. So we'll just combine that together. Now you can see how thick it is. So that was why I said in the beginning, if you don't want it so thick, you can go in with half cup of date pulp or date chaff. So now we're just going to go in with some flavors to give it, to pop up the taste, you know. By the way, this is optional. So after doing that, you just mixed it together. Then you go in with your 1/8 cup of oil, mix it together. After you're done with that, you get your pan ready. So you pour your mixture into your pan, or should I say your batter, into your pan. So here I'm just using this dried blended dates that I've had in my freezer for a while now. I'm just using it to garnish the top. Okay, if you have other things, you can just use maybe chocolate, maybe blended or crushed almond, anyone. You can just use it to garnish the top, or you can leave it plain, whichever way, it always comes out delicious. And now our date loaf is now ready. This came out so delicious. Please tell me if you're going to be trying this in the comment section, and if you do, tell me how delicious it came out. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channels, and also give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye bye.